Okay, this is just a quick video of my container that I've designed and just how watertight it is. So I've used an ABS printer at uni to print it out and make sure, see how well it goes. The printer is pretty rough, so it's done, I think it's 0.4 mils of thread that it's printed it with. So you can see on that angle there, it's kind of got a bit of a, it's not really perfect, and the shape isn't quite perfect. So the lid, which actually has small ridges, I'm not sure if you can see it there, to clip in, this they're not as smooth as the design is actually meant to be. So if this was injection molded or vacuum molded, hopefully it would be, well, the aim is for it to be a lot more rigid and a lot better with its water holding, watertight capabilities. Also, it won't have any seal at this stage, so this is fairly rough, this experiment. The end design is supposed to have a seal around the edge that will be printed on somehow. Okay, so I'm just going to put this down. Hopefully you can still see it. I'm going to fill it with some water. And like I said, this is still a rough model, so this actually leaks through the plastic fairly quickly. So you can imagine if it was a better model, a real model, it would have a better sealing capability. So I'm just going to try and click this into place, and as I said, it's fairly rough. On a manufactured model, it would be a lot better than this, easier to use. Okay, that's clipped together. So as you can see, it does leak a little bit. I'm just going to flip it over. So when it's sitting on its top, it actually doesn't leak. Obviously, when you put more pressure on one side, it will leak. But this just sort of gives you a bit of an idea of how well it will work if you had a proper design, proper manufactured model made up. So, and also like its capabilities in transport and stuff like that. So here's just how much water's in there. So I think for the final model, that would be with a seal, it would have quite good water tight capabilities.